Hey everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and I want to take a step off the beaten path of business that I'm usually hollering about and talk today about something a little bit different, and that is exercise. Okay? Exercise has been preached to us since, elementary school. I can remember going to PE class and health class, all the way up through high school and college, and now you see it in the media, on commercials, on Facebook. It's around us. Exercise has always been promoted, but what they failed to tell us about exercise is how important it could be, not just for your physical feeling, but your mental feeling and also your financial opportunities. Now let me elaborate on this, please. So when we're exercising, okay, when I'm exercising, not only am I strengthening my body, I'm strengthening my mind. Okay, and when you strengthen your mind, you become better at what your trade is, your business. So for example, I'll be on the bike path. I do what's called the Sea to Border Run. Okay, it's from Warwick City Park all the way to the Connecticut border and back. It's about 50 miles. Now with this ride, I'm thinking the whole time, something will pop in my head that I forgot to do that day, so I can pull off the road, quickly bang it out. It'll also give me ideas, like for this video, on things I can do to improve my experience, my business, and also give suggestions to others. So that exercise really loosens up, gets the juices flowing, the creative juices that you need, okay, when you're not exercising. When you're sitting on the couch eating potato chips, you're clogging that. You're keeping those juices dormant. They're there, but they're dormant. You need to be creative. You need to get into that creative mode. And for some, they may smoke a joint. Some may go drink. Some like to watch Netflix and sleep. That gets their creative juices flowing. But in my opinion, those aren't the answers. Those are temporary solutions. But they're going to give you long-term problems. You need to exercise to improve everything. And just look at Nick, our CEO, the guy with the suits. Constant exercise regimen. And I know when Nick is done with a workout because I get 8 emails, at least, of different ideas that he has. And they're always great ideas. They're always right down the middle. Beautiful, pointed ideas. And I know he just banged out a workout. I'll do the same. Workout, think of 8 great ideas, 2 great ideas. Call somebody while I'm exercising. Get their perspective. See how their business is doing. So, when you're strengthening your mental gains on top of your physical gains, the top of that pyramid, so you got physical, mental, financial gains are going to improve. Your great ideas, your efficiencies, your response time, all of these things that you're doing well because you're healthy, you're up and at 'em, it's going to translate into your financial success too. And it's hard to quantify that. You know, I can't say do this many push-ups per week and you get that much dollars in your bank account. That'd be cool, but it's very gray. It's very indirect but direct at the same time. Spoken like a true salesman. You need to exercise, you need to get the blood flowing, and that will make you that much better of a business person. Rent readies, for example. When a tenant leaves one of my apartments, I go in there, physically do the work, mentally deal with the stress of working and also having to manage Nexus and manage our franchises. But that gives me a beautiful financial reward at the end. I saved a whole bunch of money. I have a new tenant at a higher rent amount, and I've learned how to do multiple jobs at once. So the rent readies really has been one of my training grounds. If you can do an apartment turnover for 2 to 3 weeks straight, and do your regular job and do it well, both of them, you're on to something. So try, multitask is the key to success. If you can multitask and throw in some type of exercise at that same very time, you are off to the races. So get off the couch, get in the gym, get on a bike, get a Peloton, run around your neighborhood. You need to sweat. You got to get your heart rate going. You got to strengthen your immune system because it will translate into your business and financial success. Trust me. And a lot of you already do it. But if you're thinking about how could I get better at my career, it all starts at home. It starts with you. Okay? Once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management. Your property managed.